Okay, so in part 2, we on our area of a circle. So we have a formula here that is A equals pi r squared, and so this is what formula we would use every single time we are trying to find area. Still plugging in 3.14 for pi. So let's look at our problem here. We have a line going through the center and just going from the edge to just the center, which makes this our radius. So then we're ready for our formula, A equals pi r squared. And we're going to plug in the values that we know. We know that pi is 3.14. And in parentheses, we know that radius is 4. Okay, so we're going to focus on PEMDAS. PEMDAS says that we are going to complete our exponents first. 4 squared means that we have 2 4s and the operation is multiplication. So 4 squared means 4 times 4, which is 16. So I'm going to plug that back over here. And so now we're looking at 3.14 times 16. So we have 3.14 times 16. Remember, the number with the most digits goes on top. So we have 2 numbers to the right of the decimal. So I'm going to plug that 2 over there and keep it for later. And then now we're ready to multiply. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 2 is 8. And 6 times 3 is 18. A 0 for a placeholder. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. And 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, so now we're ready to add. 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 1 is 10. And then 3 plus 2 is 5. We have 2 numbers to the right of the decimal, so we're going to put our decimal in 2 place values. And we get A equals 50.24 units squared. Okay, so when we're finding area, our units are always squared. Okay, let's try that again. Here we are given a circle whose line goes all the way from one side through the center to the other side. That means that this line is the diameter. If we notice in our formula, we want radius. Okay, so your radius is your diameter divided by 2. So if my diameter is 18, I'm going to divide 18 by 2, which gives me a radius of 9. Okay, so now I'm ready to plug into my formula. I'm going to write my formula out first. A equals, your pi is 3.14. Your radius is 9 squared. Okay, so remember, 9 squared means 9 times 9. So I have 3.14 times 9 squared, which is 81. Okay, and then we have 3.14 times 81. I want you to press pause, do that multiplication, and then press play when you have finished. Okay, so I got that my area is 254.34 centimeters squared. If you did not get that, press pause again and look at my multiplication to find your mistake. If you have any questions, please make sure that you ask in class.